your problem? You will stand up from here. Rubbish.
Hey guys, so today we'll be learning how to reinstall an old frontal unit while having some fun, shall we?
Maybe because it's been long I installed frontal. I installed frontal last year. Only that rubbish you did.
Clean this one very, very well. It's not your marriage, is there any atom of yeah. It's not ponytail, sorry. It's something that looks like ponytail.
Low bun.
Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yes, I don't know.
You don't know? Your bandit frontal that we're installing. God, when no. Let's see if this. Now I'm looking at it. From a client, I'll be so scared.
But the end product now.
It must eat now. It's not me.
No bones.
No bounds. There was one I even saw said, and we'll still do that content. Yo. I swear. Come like I said, this lightning just respect itself today. Rest! What's your problem? You will stand up from here. Rubbish. What nonsense. Would you know your hairline has really grown back? I just remember the last time I did your installation.
That stuff you used to market was it powder?
Father palette. After 4.5. On which phone? Not the time, but also the time. Don't do this for my weight too much. Make me guys
Everything is glowing.
see environment. Oh shit! But you're really glowing. When I was shining like diamond in the sky yesterday. I don't understand where the glow was coming from, but there was a glow.
Yeah, I see my camera.
Yeah, but it's orange. Why is your camera orange? But forget. This 14 Pro Max now that this because I'm using. And our videos are Jesus. This video should be yesterday. But the 14 Pro Max is under very mad ass camera.
Instead of 16.
Yeah, I'm going to buy it. That's what
I also upgrade my own phone. I don't know. Yeah, using 15 Pro Max. So the camera is very bright. It's true. I don't see anybody yet with 15 Pro Max.
Maybe I've not seen 16 Pro Max since 16 Pro. 17 Pro Max, the one I use on. See, I will just put this content down. Like, content is like the transition to your main thing now. Do you get? Just pop up. That's content point like that. Don't enter my video. Chikwa Anaka. Should I put back in this frontal fine?
Yes, how much you want?
If not, I would have needed somebody to hold it up and down. I was holding it, making it look like I'm holding a wig. If not, I'll be needing hand here, hand, hold here. Everything. And so it's shift, sorry. So it's shift, up and down. If you're not fit, you are very ugly. I don't know what will happen to you. I don't know what will happen to you.
It's so fine.
And this is Akroka Genius. So I'm not posting Genius on my page again. I want to be attracting HD things.
You're not been posting them.
It's not Genius I've been seeing. I have to find it. Don't worry, I'm such a fast hairstylist. I'm gonna do my magic. I'm young. We'll do makeup. They use style, they tell everybody within your life. In case. Enter the airline first.
Someone watched the video of the.
They gave them
person now went.
what's the color?
They not gave him money.
Happy hour. Business class. Business class. Business class because I want chop over.
Yes, so. I was taking business class in that one.
Yes, I really change even this song. This is
So I'm going to be adding this 5x5 closure wig to the back of this hair because the back is literally empty. We've been installing just a frontal all along. So I'm just going to sew down this wig at the back of the hair where the frontal stopped.
Only gooms can do this magic.
Who be say they laugh my magic? All the actual fucking. Hey, who come out this clip where I've been put for years? When I go first start from here. One place up for here. One start right in this way. Not my life. That time na go dos, na bagala, go dos say which I go now you won't buy. Now I'm like that's what man is crying in my ear.
I say. So better than go down.
You know I make up artists do soft things. Like you like it's very very soft. That's just.
Wow.
Oh my god. Why are you telling my audience? My YouTube audience have pride. Now walk off. I do not like to take out that either. You looking like I can't get food. I say. Oh my, please stop frontal, you know. Your one good day here with that now. Please stop frontal, your face no lift because it's a different kind of face we get together. Alright, some girls on the lashes do nails. The concept camera they go live. Nothing they stop for their life, but they don't. Don't set camera one time.
Wow, so means it's melting the bean.
I'm not melting. No, melting the next time. Because the rubbish don't carry melting spray. But it's not single melt. Let's halfway melted first. Before your melting.
Oh my god!
Oh, yeah, what like it? Yeah, turn your head. Oh, you're going to like that.
Remind me that I'm very beautiful.
This is what happened.
But this is the moment.